Hi, Bonnie. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
yeah, I'm great, thank you. How's your day?
Yeah, the day was so busy. So,
Yeah,
am I visible to you?
yeah,
Clear.
clearly,
Okay.
absolutely. Yeah,
Okay. So, yeah. So, how was your actually? What is the time there?
11 a.m.
Okay.
We just finished our breakfast, and
Okay.
I
So,
finished our
Bonnie.
work also. I'm
Okay.
just waiting
Okay.
for your call.
Actually, here is 8:20. So
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
the time for dinner, preparing dinner and all. So I
Have
was busy
you
there.
have you finished your dinner?
No, I was helping my sister-in-law. Now she is doing, and I'm here to talk you.
Oh, oh. You took break for me for having conversation with me, right?
No, yeah, it's a kind of work also. So, Pavni,
Thank
so let
you.
me like I want to that you to please introduce yourself, like in my channel.
Okay, I'm Pavani. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, but currently I am living in US, United States, and this is New Jersey, few miles away from New York City. And then I did my graduation in biotechnology in my state. Uh, I used to work in my state. After I got married, I had to move to US along with my husband to accompany my husband. I'm not working at the moment. I'm a housewife. I'm mother of one. He's 2 years old, baby. That's it. Just I want to improve my communication skills. One day when I was searching for Clappingo or Cambly videos on YouTube, and then I came across with your video on Pratima like that. Just you guys provide the good platform to the people who wants to improve or polish their English. That time I think that why don't I give a one chance? So I mailed you. Luckily, you replied me. So thank you.
Actually, yeah, Pavni, you are very right. Like we are also polishing our knowledge and our English here because we
Yeah,
are also not so proficient in English. That's why we are here to get more and more and to become fluent in English.
yeah. We can learn anything by practice, right?
Yeah,
So definitely we can speak in
yeah,
English later. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. What's your qualification? Are you working there or not?
I'm not working right now. Actually, my name is Neetu, as you know, and I
Yeah.
have done my post graduation in English and literature. And after that, I have done my B.Ed. And after that, I am preparing for many exams. And luckily, I qualified two and three, but I disqualified in interview. And right now, I'm preparing for government jobs.
Oh, definitely you will get the job. You will crack the job. Definitely, I hope so.
Thank
And
Yeah.
then, yeah, what's the situation in UP state? Corona situation.
Yeah, as you know, as you can watch news, like situation is worst here. As Corona, the second wave is spreading like a wildfire in our state, and you can say in whole India, it's like a worst situation here. People
Yeah.
are not provided good facilities or can say oxygens and bed and all. That's why they are the situation is not good and the people are dying on road and here and there and it was too difficult to watch news channel in these days
Yeah.
for me, you can say.
Yeah. And one day I saw news, and at that time the people in my state, okay,
Andhra.
Anantapur, 25 people, 20 people died because of lack of oxygen in
Yeah,
hospitals.
very
That's
bad, like
so, yeah, awful. Really. I was,
Yeah.
I cried a lot at the time.
No one can predict this
Yeah.
situation will come, but people are also told to stay home, stay safe, or wear mask, and do like use sanitizers, but people are also not like listening to the government and all, and the government is also like we can't blame anyone, but yeah, no one can predict this type of situation.
Yeah. You're right. I'm agree with you. We cannot predict, right? It's an unforeseen situation. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So, have you ever been there, like in the upper state, northern states of India?
Oh, no, no, I haven't been travel any place. I mean, any state in India.
Actually, you never have been any other state, but you had in a other country.
Yeah. I didn't expect this situation also, you know. I never ever expect this.
It is like a big surprise for you to like go there and to adjust yourself there. It is also a difficult task to adjust yourself there in
Yeah,
another
yeah,
country.
yeah, yeah. In early days, it was hard for me, and now I, what I adapted this culture and this environment. Now I'm okay,
It's a
and
good
earlier
thing.
it was too difficult. Yeah,
Yeah, it's a good thing. Like no one knows when what situation will come. Then always be ready for like you make yourself like to adjustable nature. Like you can
yeah,
adjust anywhere. Like you are exploring new things, new ideas, new people there. It's a good
yeah,
thing for you.
yeah, yeah,
Initially, you may have some problem. Initially,
yeah,
you would have some problem, but after that, you will get like familiar to
yeah.
all these things.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are right. And what's your native place in UP or another state?
Yeah, in UP, before marriage, I belong to you, Devariya Gorakhpur. Like here is
Gorak-
my Gorakhpur, yeah. You know?
I mean, the longest railway station in Gorakhpur.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That previously it was like longest, but right now it is second largest. First is someone else. I forgot that name, but
yeah. I know your state has history, a lot of history. I love that to know your about your state. It has mm, Kanpur, Varanasi, and
Kanpur.
Bhoga.
Yeah.
Yeah, Prayoga, something like that.
Like I
Yeah,
am currently living in Lucknow near Kanpur.
yeah.
You have heard about Lucknow is the capital of
Capital city of
UP.
UP. I know, I know, I know.
So
And
currently
your
I am
state.
living there.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Currently I am living there with my family and all are shifted there after my husband's transfer. We are there.
Oh, okay, nice, nice. Your city is biggest state in India, right? So I think so. 70 to 75 districts in your state. I mean, how many
State
districts in your
I
state?
as far as I remember it like there is 75
Yeah,
cities
75 districts.
in UP, yeah.
Yeah, the biggest
You
state in India.
biggest in population, not in area.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, in
what is the
biggest in. Mhm.
population state then? Do you have any questions to ask me?
So, yeah, I have also many questions for you.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, you are not working and you are taking care of family and your kid also. So, what do you think, in general way, career for a women, career or family, which is most important? To a women should give preference to which?
both. We have that power, and all women have mental strength than physical strength. We can handle anything in present situation, present generation, and women should involve in both. We can take care of both things, family as well as career, personal life, and professional life. In my point of view, then only you have resignation, recognition from others. That's most important. That enhance our confidence also. Job, career. That's why, of course, we have the mental strength. We can do anything if
Yeah.
we have devote to that work, burning desire.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I totally agree with you, and your point of view is very good. Like some women in our country, like India is not so like a developed country. It is a developing country. Like here, women after marriage, I don't know what they think, why they do not give preference to the career also along with their family. They should do it like I want, like women should give preference to their career also. At least if they don't want to go outside, they can learn something from their home only, because of internet we have provided all the things in our mobile, so they can learn anything anywhere. If they have any dream in past or anything like they couldn't do in past but they can do this time,
Yeah.
like I don't know why don't they not agree to like make a balance. Like I want all women to do something for yourself. It will give you an enthusiasm and like a positive energy to handle your family also and to put your kid also. Like I want to all women
Yeah.
to do these
Yeah.
these, these things.
Uh, First of all, government should give some support and motivation and provide the empowerment related to women, right? And then we have to step out from our comfort zone.
Yeah. Yeah, like
That's
yeah, you are right. Yeah, yeah, they are happy with their family. I am totally agree. Like they should be like that, but at least if they want, they should not suppress their desire. I want this
yes, you're right.
thing.
Yes, yes. We
At
never
least do
ever.
something. Yeah. Yeah, at least do something. No one knows like when the miracle will happen and you will get your like your you will achieve your goals. You will accomplish your dreams. Like I
Yes,
want like
yes,
people, they should try at least.
yes,
They should
yes. You are
stand
right.
themselves because people have already provided so many like I can see because as I am reading current affairs books or and all the like government has provided so many platform for women but I know, I know this is not like accomplished in the ground level, but yeah, government announced many yojana, like what to say, plans for
Yeah,
women and
yeah,
girls also.
yeah.
But yeah, it is not come on the ground sometimes. But at least
Mm.
it is the most important thing that the women should stand for their self.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it's
You're
a
right.
big. So,
Yeah.
Pawnee, one thing I also want to ask you, like earlier when I have heard your name, like Pawnee, what is the meaning of Pawnee? It was so nice, to
You are the one who asked this question. What is the meaning of Pavani? Pavani means holy,
holy.
holy.
Actually, I know Pawan. Like I think, it might be different something. So that I am asking you. Like holy, it's a holy name, yeah. And you are like as pure as your name. Your
Yeah.
ideas, your views, like your point of view
Thank
are all also so pure and like beautifully you present your idea. Like it's a amazing thing. And I have a like I'm glad to talk with you.
It's my pleasure. It's my honor speaking with you. It's thanks a lot. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
Profound.
I can see you have the good heart because you are appreciating others' quality. That means when we appreciate others' good quality, when we find out the others' good quality, because of when we have the good heart, then only we can see the good in others. Also,
Yeah, it's your
have,
point of view. It's your view to see others. It's a nice. It's a pleasure for me. Like, thank, thank you very
thank you.
much for this
Yeah,
appreciation.
so glad and I'm so delightful to see you and meet you.